This aircraft is heading to Cancun, Mexico. Here we have the Embraer CRJ 700 landing on 28 right. Welcome to John Glenn International Airport here on this Sunday, February 23rd, 2025. I'm hoping that you guys are having a great morning. Alright, there's one of our Delta tugs here on the north side. And there's a Delta in November 20J, or 204, just sitting at the gate there. You can tell there's the Delta, there's the American that I was turning turning left, excuse me. There's the car traffic guys here. We'll see you here in just a moment for the takeoff. Here's the CRJ 700 taxiing to the gate here on the north side of John Glenn International Airport. And we'll catch the takeoff that's heading to Cancun. It should be lined up and waiting here. So we'll get down here in just a second. First time catching this airline. Viva Aerobus heading to Cancun, Mexico. First time I've ever seen this airline myself. Sorry, the zoom is not going to be that great for the takeoff, unfortunately. Sorry about that. But there we go. Awesome. Here we have a United Airlines ERJ 145 landing on 28 right here at John Glenn International Airport. First time catching this in my YouTube video. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers before the Columbus Blue Jackets Stadium Series game on March 1st. So hope you guys help me out there. Yeah, it's a cold morning here at John Glenn International Airport. Here we have a United Airlines waiting the lineup. Right. 32 left turn, ground point 9. Have a good day. It's alright. You cannot see the aircraft that's flying above us just because of the sun. The sun's bright this morning. Here. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We have already had 2 landings and about to have 2 takeoffs here. I would suggest if you're coming to John Glenn International Airport, don't make the same mistake I did. It's forgetting the DS card for your camera. Because I made that dumb mistake and it sucks. So please do not make that dumb mistake. And make sure you have it before you go to John Glenn International Airport if you're going to take any photos or videos with your camera, and so that you don't make a dumb mistake. So we're still waiting on this United. I don't know when it's going to be taxiing out here or departing. It's still waiting. I do not see a route inbound. But we have our ERJ 145 now taxiing to the gate here on the north side. We don't get a lot of these ERJ 145s here in Columbus. But it's always fun to see these aircrafts here at the airport on the weekend like today. Here we have our United Airlines, Embraer, Embraer. I believe this is 175. I don't know where it's heading, but he's departing here on the north side. Here we go. Take off on 28 right, United Airlines, Embraer. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Waiting more action to come here from John Glenn International Airport on Sunday, February 23rd. And we'll get that ERJ taxi in here in just a moment. And there he goes. Up and away. Goes. Let me know in the comments if you ever flown on the ERJ 145 with United Airlines. These are common over at Dayton International Airport and any of the small airports that may get with all the original jets. And we'll try to get some of the south side for you guys action today. So here's our friend, the ERJ 145. This is United Airlines taxiing to the gate here on the north. We get a slow taxi. It's always fun to see these bad boys here in town. Don't think of any charters here today. So we'll keep an eye out on that. But yeah, welcome to the Brandon Walmsley channel, YouTube channel. We're currently, I believe, at 452, maybe 453 subscribers here on the channel. Well, after this, we'll be heading to the south side to catch some Southwest Airlines action over there at the Alpha Gates. Alright, here we have an Embraer coming into land with United Airlines. Sorry about the quality. Wow. Look at that beautiful landing by United pilots here. Here we have a Delta ERJ, or excuse me, we have the Delta Embraer taxiing to the gate here on the north side. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We have a surprising flight that we're gonna try to get here today. It's a Delta flight trying to speed to the gate. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We have a very special flight, and I'll let you guys find out And I can tell you, the only thing I can tell you, it's an 11:40 a.m. departure. That's the only thing I can tell you today. I cannot give any other things out. But yeah, we're in the help the record, and it's a very special one. And no, it's not a professional sports team. That's the only hint. And please do not guess. If you want to guess, play in the comments. The only thing I can tell you, it's college. Something that has to do with the college sports. If you would like, put your comments down below. But otherwise, I cannot give you I'll let you know which one it is when it departs. Here we have a Southwest 737 taxiing to the gate here on the south side, going to the Alpha gates here on the south side. Welcome to this cold Sunday morning from John Glenn International Airport. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the video so far. And I hope if you just got to this point, welcome. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And let's push for 500 subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Comment down below if you have any airport spotting requests, and I will see if I can make it to that airport and spot. I hope we go to Dayton International Airport sometime. I know the 737 MAX 8 is coming in, so I might try to go get that here today. But I don't know if I'm gonna make that spend all the money and go up there today. Here we go, pulling into Alpha 5 here on the south side. It's always fun. Southwest has more flights out of this airport than all other airlines. So American comes in second, followed by United, then Spirit, then Air Canada, and NetJets. And there we go. Here we have a NetJets taxiing to 28, right? For departure. And if you made it this far to this part, welcome. And what you guys will see is where these planes are heading later in the video, once I edit it later. NetJets is one of the largest operators here in Columbus. They have their own terminal here, and they're a private jet company, so they fly in and out of those private jets. Yeah, this is my first time back at the airport since the tragedy of the CRJ. No, my bad. After the tragedy that almost was prayers for the Delta Airlines that crashed in Toronto Pearson International Airport. Hoping everyone's doing well and hopefully everyone is safe after that accident. So yeah, this is NetJets holding short of 28 right. Hopefully you guys are having a good Sunday. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Sunday morning with me here on this Sunday, February 23rd. And if you're watching this in the evening or in the next day, whenever this gets posted, welcome. If you want anything from trucks, hockey, or anything from sports to aviation, please follow me on YouTube. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers before the March 1st Stadium Series for the Columbus Blue Jackets vs. Red Wings game. So if you could please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when we go to the airport and take videos. Here we have a small jet landing here on 28 right. Look at that. That's a first. So this aircraft's doing touch and goes. Here is the NetJets plane now lining up in wait on 28 right. We're hoping that they do a reverse operations here at John Glenn. We have a very special flight heading out of John Glenn here soon, so we'll talk about it when it departs. Here we go, we have NetJets on 28 right. And here he goes. Early takeoff. Heading to Washington, D.C. I'm not expecting this departure right this second. But this aircraft will be taking passengers from Columbus to Washington, D.C., DCA. Hoping that these passengers have a safe flight all the way down there. Here's our Delta friend, posted back, the one that was here by itself. Sorry if you get the bus in the background, but you get bus transportation not far from here. Look at this, 2 planes in the background. The background we have the ERJ 145 was American. You don't get a lot of these American. You get these more often than United sometimes. This is November 670. Alpha Echo taxiing to Loop. We have a very special flight coming at 11:40 a.m. so we'll get down and bring it for you. There's our United friend. That's ready to taxi. We have the Delta Embraer E145 or 175 taxied out. It's a gate here going to 28 right. We'll see if it makes a left turn. It's going to 10 right or 10 left. If it's going to the right, it's going to 28 left or 28 right. Excuse me. And it's going to the right means a 28 right departure. So we had someone clear to take off on the other way. It's always fun to see these Delta jets inbound. I would hopefully get starting in service from the Airbus A320neo or the Airbus A220 sometime. That would be great. Or the 757 service. That would be great. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Here we have the NetJets. Jet waiting for it's waiting for clearance that wind up and wait and take off. Traffic is probably on a, let's say 10-mile final at this point. So this message may get cleared to take off before they arrive. NetJets has this been cleared? There's NetJets. The arrival's not even close to landing at this point, so they're gonna let the NetJets go first, and then they're gonna have the arrival come in after them. Here we have American Airlines Embraer E175. Bravo's. This is American doing a long takeoff due to the arrival. Here's the arrival. Coming inbound. Yeah, put in the comments if you have any airport requests where you want me to plane spot. High chance I'm gonna say no or yes to them depending on the longer the drive.
Tower American 1565 on the U-turn for the RMP runway 18 left. American 56 Columbus Tower, get mark your runway 28 left to clear to land with 190 at 4. 28 left clear to land, American 1565.
Looks like we have a CRJ on final here. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Brandon Walmsley.
31, 310 heading code for service, safe flight today.
NetJets. These are our NetJets already. At the first, usually we only catch 2, maybe 0 metrics flights out. But so Netris just got cleared to take off. This United LGA 145 heading to Washington. IAD. This is a United Airlines E175 heading to Chicago. O'Hare, ORD. Wearing the Evo Blue livery. This is one of my favorite liveries in the United what do you call it? Fleet. I love these United Airlines planes. They look beautiful. Better than the plain old colors. These passengers heading to Chicago. ORD. If you're a pilot watching this, hope you have a safe flight wherever you're flying to this evening. If it's out of Columbus, out of whatever airport you tend to fly out of, with your airline or by yourself. Please be very careful and watch your surroundings.